Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PhonePe QR code step by step. So the tutorial today is how to find your PhonePe QR code. First, open the PhonePe app and log in using your registered mobile number and your 4-digit password. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top. On Android, this icon is on the left side. If you're using an iPhone, swipe left on the main screen to access your profile. Inside your profile, you'll see a list of options. Look for My QR Code and tap on it. You'll now see your PhonePe QR code on the screen with the PhonePe logo in the center. Below the QR code, you'll also see details like your username and registered mobile number. At the bottom, you'll see two options. The download option lets you save the QR code to your phone's gallery so you can share it later. The share option lets you send your QR code directly through apps like WhatsApp or other social media. That's it. Anyone can scan this QR code to send you money, and you can also use it to make payments by scanning other QR codes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more PhonePe and payment app tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.